Catch me in the D with a flock of these hoes. I'm on a block, dog shit. Ain't nothing but hoes. I stay running through bitches. Gunning through bitches, niggas. Niggas talking slick. Remind me of these bitches, nigga. I don't give a fuck about a nigga and shit. I already know how all these fucking bitches be. Playing with a nigga, dog. They have you laying in the ditch, G. On some murder shit, they try to set you up, B. I stay rapping, stay in my hood, so drill, nigga. Got Detroit everywhere I fucking go, dog. I'm on some gangster shit, I keep the pistol on me, it go off and you be shanking, bitch. Niggas ain't soft, niggas from the murder man, and for real, but murders get committed for real, niggas get killed and shit. Ain't no motherfucking dress up shit, no sugarcoating motherfucking game playing that shit. Hell no, you gotta play the cards that the nigga dealt you upstairs. Niggas ain't playing, niggas will step. Dude, I got the master plan. I gotta get the paper, get 100 grand, get up out the hood. These niggas hating, niggas faking, dog. Swear they get mans, but when the shit get thick, dog, niggas they roll off real quick and they gone, dog. Niggas soft, man. Nigga in the zone, I'm moving that soft, man. I keep the chrome on me, man. But a nigga trying to stick me, hating on my paper, trying to catch a nigga straight, slipping off. I don't play that pussy shit, dog. I ain't in the studio, I'm behind the computer, yo. Quit playing, I'm just rapping and shit. I ain't looking at YouTube or on my Bluetooth, dude. Niggas sloppy at the game, niggas faking at the game, but a nigga straight loyal, man. Loyalty is how you get loyalty is. Damn.